In a world grappling with the escalating climate crisis, major climate conferences are often touted as pivotal moments for global action. However, a closer look reveals a troubling dichotomy. Are these gatherings essential for collaboration or merely luxurious getaways for the global elite? In this video, we dive into the lavish venues, the environmental impacts of travel, and the intricate balance between networking and vacationing. Through case studies and public perception analysis, we'll unravel the complexities of these high-stakes events and explore the calls for genuine change going forward. Join us as we investigate the intersection of climate advocacy and privilege. 1. The purpose of climate conferences. Climate conferences are designed to bring together world leaders, scientists, and environmentalists to discuss and strategize on ways to combat climate change. The aim is to create actionable plans to reduce carbon footprints, promote sustainable practices, and ensure a healthier planet for future generations. These meetings are often held in locations that symbolize the delicate balance between human activity and nature. However, the effectiveness of these conferences often comes into question when the outcomes seem to fall short of expectations. 2. Luxurious venues. A double-edged sword? Many climate conferences are held in opulent locations like Davos, Switzerland, or Bali, Indonesia. While these places offer the necessary amenities for hosting international delegates, they also happen to be luxury destinations. This choice of venue often leads to criticism, as it seems contradictory to the mission of reducing environmental impact. The carbon footprint associated with travel and the lavish accommodations further complicate the narrative, leading some to question the sincerity of the attendees. 3. Travel and carbon footprints. One of the most glaring contradictions is the mode of travel used by attendees. Private jets, known for their high carbon emissions, are a preferred choice for many of the elite participants. According to the European Federation for Transport and Environment, private jets emit up to 14 times more pollution per passenger than commercial flights. This raises an important question: can one truly advocate for climate change measures while contributing significantly to the problem? 4. Networking or vacationing? While networking is an essential part of any conference, the line between professional engagement and leisure often blurs at these events. Attendees are frequently spotted enjoying local attractions, fine dining, and recreational activities. This has led to the perception that these conferences are more about personal enjoyment than addressing global crises. The juxtaposition of serious discussions during the day and indulgent experiences in the evening paints a confusing picture. 5. Impact of public perception. The public's perception of these conferences plays a crucial role in their effectiveness. When the focus shifts from policy making to perceived extravagance, it undermines the credibility of the initiatives discussed. The skepticism grows when tangible results are scarce, and promises remain unfulfilled. This perception can lead to a lack of trust, making it challenging to rally public support for necessary environmental changes. 6. Case studies. COP and beyond. The Conference of the Parties, COP, is one of the most notable climate conferences. While it has achieved significant milestones, it has not been immune to criticism. Instances of lavish spending and the presence of high-profile celebrities have often overshadowed the core objectives. Other conferences have faced similar scrutiny, leading to a call for more transparency and accountability in how these events are conducted. 7. Calls for change. There is a growing demand for climate conferences to be more sustainable and focused. Suggestions include choosing more modest venues, encouraging the use of virtual meetings to reduce travel emissions, and ensuring that discussions lead to concrete actions. The aim is to create a setting where the focus remains on environmental issues rather than the luxury of the location. 8. The way forward. As the world grapples with the realities of climate change, the role of these conferences cannot be underestimated. However, for them to be truly effective, a shift in perception and practice is essential. By aligning the goals of the conference with the actions of its participants, it is possible to create a more authentic and impactful dialogue that resonates with both leaders and the public.